good to have your company today. A lot going on. There is always something happening, it seems like. Friday morning, it was a sticker stop, and there's some incredible stories coming out of that. The gentleman was walking up in the sticker stop area, and about 10:15 before he stopped and kind of looked up and put his hand over his eyes, and one of our team members was starting to wonder if he was okay, if they needed to go help him. And he took his hands off his eyes and walked up, and he broken out into tears. He was just weeping. He said, I didn't want to cry. He said, I got to tell you how much this ministry, the radio station, has meant to me. And he shared a number of things that happened in his life, struggles, challenges, doing things. And that was the first opportunity that he had to share with one of our team members exactly what God did. Talk about God moments. Beautiful. Not a sticker stuff. Thank you so much for praying for this ministry. Thank you for praying for the new listeners that will find the station today, right here, right now. Thank you for your financial support as well. Thank you for going strong for the nation's capital and the rest of the country.
Hope all day.
Every day as I'm driving home, I just feel so inspired. You know, it makes my heart smile.
WBGS 91.9.
Go back and leave it.